Hello friends, today I have Lenovo laptop motherboard. Model number is LA-C851P revision 1.0. This motherboard problem is, you can see, I turn power and I turn it on. See, amp is stuck in this rate. Okay. Now we can check one by one coil voltages. Okay. 3.3%, 5 volt percent, and this coil no voltage. We can check this one, 1.0%, and PCH voltages 1.05%. See, main basic voltage present, and check this one. This one is a RAM coil. See voltage. This one is a problem. RAM coil voltage not stable. Okay, up and down. What happened? Friends, this RAM IC is a programmable. It's programmed from the tone pin. Okay, tone cell pin is the voltage regulate pin. Okay, I think this model have this tone pin resistor is failed. Okay, now I replace this tone pin resistor and we can back. But this is the resistor. This is a RAM IC. Okay, this model. This is a tone pin. See this one. This is a tone pin. Okay, now we replace this tone pin and back to video. Friends, I replace this tone pin resistor. Friends, I replace this tonsil pin resistor. Now we can check our job is done or not. Now I turn it on and see, amp is good. Now I check voltage. Right. See, voltage are present. See, machine is turned on. Amp is good. Now I check. USB keyboard. Okay. Our job is done. Thanks for watching.